A Bus for Miss Moss. Mary McKinnon, illustrated by Steve Simpson. Miss Moss could never keep still. Miss Moss had a mill on a hill. She worked so hard, milling sack after sack. Bad luck, Miss Moss had a bad back. I think it's time to sell my mill. I cannot mill if I am ill. So she moved house, and what a shock! Miss Moss had a hut on a rock. She lay in bed with a terrible cough. I had a sun deck, but it fell off. And there's no sun when the fog comes up. I am sick of fog. I am fed up. Now she lives in the meadow right next to us. Miss Moss has a bed in a bus. With trees in an orchard, 1 to 10. A pig in a pen, and a duck and a hen. And it's easy to go on a trip, you know. I can pack up and off I go. Miss Moss is better. She sits in the sun. Miss Moss has a lot of fun.